What if you could get a compact drone with a built-in screen controller, obstacle sensing, an electronically adjustable camera, and fun flying features, all without spending a fortune? Meet the D36 Drone, a lightweight, foldable quadcopter that's designed for beginners, casual pilots, and anyone looking for an affordable way to enjoy aerial photography. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. If you enjoy reviews of drones, smart gadgets, innovative technology, and affordable electronics, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. Now let's unbox and explore the D36 Drone.
The first thing you'll notice is how compact the D36 is. The drone weighs only about 85 grams with its battery installed, making it extremely lightweight and easy to carry almost anywhere. Its small size makes it perfect for travel, family vacations, camping trips, weekend adventures, or simply flying in open outdoor spaces. Another nice touch is the fully enclosed propeller guards, which help protect both the propellers and nearby objects during beginner flights. For new pilots, that's an extra layer of confidence.
Unlike many entry-level drones that require you to use your smartphone for live viewing, the D36 includes a 4.3-inch screen remote controller. The controller displays the live camera feed while also allowing phone connectivity if desired. That means you can spend less time setting up and more time flying. The controller uses the familiar layout: left stick for throttle, right stick for direction. Simple enough for beginners to learn quickly.
The D36 is equipped with dual cameras and supports electronic switching between views. The main camera can be adjusted remotely by up to 135 degrees, allowing you to change your shooting angle while the drone is still in the air. Whether you're filming landscapes, taking group photos, recording family gatherings, or capturing social media clips, the adjustable camera provides much more flexibility than fixed-angle drones. The product is advertised with 4K photo capability, while live video transmission and recorded video quality may vary depending on the selected mode and the connected device. As with many budget drones, image quality should be viewed as suitable for casual use rather than professional aerial filmmaking.
One feature that really improves the flying experience is optical flow positioning. Using downward-facing sensors, the drone can maintain a steadier hover when flying close to the ground. This makes it easier to record smoother videos, take clearer photos, and practice flying if you're a beginner.
The D36 also features 4-way obstacle sensing, designed to detect obstacles around the drone. While obstacle detection can provide helpful assistance, it shouldn't be relied upon to avoid every collision. Bright lighting, object size, and flying conditions all affect how well these systems work. It's best to think of obstacle sensing as an additional safety feature, not a replacement for careful piloting. Despite its affordable price, the D36 includes an impressive list of intelligent functions. You get altitude hold, headless mode, 1-key takeoff, 1-key landing, 1-key return, Waypoint Flight through the mobile app, 360-degree stunt flips, fast and slow speed modes, LED lighting, Wi-Fi FPV live viewing, dual camera switching, electronic camera angle adjustment. These features make flying both easier for beginners and more entertaining for experienced hobbyists.
Power comes from a 3.7-volt, 700 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery. According to the manufacturer, one battery provides approximately 10 minutes of flight time, depending on conditions. Charging takes roughly 60 to 80 minutes using the included USB cable. The control range is rated at approximately 100 meters, while Wi-Fi image transmission is advertised at around 40 meters, although real-world performance can vary based on interference and environmental conditions. The companion app unlocks even more features. You can view live video, record photos and videos, switch between cameras, draw custom flight paths, and control additional smart functions directly from your smartphone.
Waypoint Flight is especially fun because the drone automatically follows the route you create on your screen.
The D36 combines several technologies to improve flight stability. Its 6-axis gyroscope helps smooth out movements. Altitude hold assists with maintaining height. Optical flow improves hovering. And the enclosed propeller guards provide additional protection during beginner practice sessions. These features work together to make the drone easier to control than many basic toy drones.
The D36 is ideal for first-time drone pilots, teenagers and adults aged 14 and above, families, travelers, content creators, social media users, students learning drone controls, and anyone looking for an affordable recreational drone.
Here's what stands out. Extremely lightweight, compact portable design, screen remote controller included, dual camera system, 135-degree electronically adjustable camera, optical flow positioning, 4-way obstacle sensing, headless mode, waypoint flight, altitude hold, 1-key return, fun 360-degree flips, beginner-friendly controls.
A few things to keep in mind. Around 10 minutes of flight time per battery means extra batteries may be useful for longer sessions. Wi-Fi transmission distance is shorter than the controller's operating range. Camera quality is best suited for casual photography and social media rather than professional video production. Obstacle sensing provides assistance, but cannot detect every obstacle in all directions or conditions.
Overall, the D36 drone offers a surprisingly complete package for an entry-level quadcopter. Its combination of a built-in screen controller, adjustable camera, optical flow positioning, obstacle sensing, waypoint flight, and beginner-friendly controls makes it an appealing choice for casual pilots who want plenty of features without a premium price tag. If you're looking for a fun, portable drone to learn flying skills, capture everyday memories, and enjoy aerial photography, the D36 is definitely worth considering.
So, what do you think about the D36 drone? Would you choose it as your first drone? Or do you already have another favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of drones, smart gadgets, and innovative technology. Thanks for watching Caring Guy, and I'll see you in the next video.